February 2021 Celebration Elizabeth. I returned from my chiropractic place over the moon to see Pear dripping with Bluey. After lunch, my mom first showed Pear a doll whom she named Molly. We wanted to show her after Pearl's death, so he wouldn't be so lonely, but he straight up bit her and flew off. Okay, maybe Bluey will like her? Surprisingly, he did. He chirped and shone her shoelaces for quite a while. For what everyone was waiting for, the cake was about to come to show. Pear, are you ready? Chirp! This time we wanted to try something different instead. Instead of making a cake, we took Molly's cake, a fake plastic one, and added various sizes of millet. I watched Pear's eyes light up brighter than the sun. He ate most of the millet. Blue didn't seem to care. We also had some bracelet-like objects in colors of blue and white, said Bluey's feather colors. Nevertheless, they were enjoying themselves so much I didn't want to ruin the moment that they had. In other words, it was for another time. Bluey. Elizabeth came back. After a quick and easy lunch of dumplings, my grandma gave Pear a girl who looked like my mom. The eyes and hair were such an accurate physical description, a tangible one at that. Although it was indeed a doll, I still treated Molly, her name, like a human. Okay, I'll be more specific. I treated her like my mom. It shouldn't have been a negative thing though, because I treated her extraordinarily well. Pear, are you ready? Chirp! Are you a balloon for cake? I hope it's your favorite. Oh, you know me, obviously. Moving on to the cake, usually she would make cakes from scratch, but this time was different. She took a fake cake to which she nibbled onto Tess, which tasted like hard air, and sprinkled on millet. Maybe she'll give me lots for my birthday. Pear, chirp, 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 creak, shuffle, shuffle. The humans were home at last. I had been expecting you guys. Gone for my birthday? God, so disrespectful. Noodle, hey, what matters is that they're here now. After they ate as slow as a turtle, my grandma went upstairs to grab something. It was funny how, when one is impatient, everything went by slower. However, when one was patient, it was the other side of the spectrum. I know, crazy. They held up a doll to which they named her Molly. The reason behind her coming into our lives haunted me for the next good 5 minutes, though. It was meant for me to not feel lonely. I didn't know whether Mika would help, but It shouldn't be worse than this weird doll. But maybe it was Pearl as a person. Memories of her last memories did find her through the wall, sadly. Yet, there was something that almost never failed to cheer me up. Millet. Pear, are you ready? Chirp. Are you bullying for cake? I hope it's your favorite. Oh, you know me, obviously. The plastic cake that the humans placed in front of us was like a miniature size of what they ate. Good thing it was plastic. Bluey and I ate all the milk with Molly joining us. The humans gave an evil look to them.